An integrated production ecosystem strategically positioned within a broader global industrial manufacturing infrastructure. Advanced industrial manufacturing facility, comprehensively revealing a complete integrated production ecosystem.
Strategic business operations, systematically managing strategic market positioning analysis, effectively utilizing enterprise business intelligence systems, and comprehensive market analytics platforms.
The TCO analysis confirms the strategic advantage in the APAC market.
Agreed. The BI systems are fully compliant. Let's approve the decision.
The market analytics platform projected a 15% increase.
And the operational efficiency metrics confirm it.
Our BI systems show significant gains in the ESG metrics across the Asian markets, optimizing our global strategy.
The integration of these systems has truly optimized our operations.
Indeed, reliable industrial solutions.
Our enterprise intelligence system is effectively managing the sustainability reporting.
This provides a clear competitive
Strategic business operations, systematically managing intellectual property portfolio management, effectively utilizing enterprise.
Your efficiency metrics are excellent, Mark. We are ready for Phase 2 integration.
The feedback felt completely intuitive. Calibration complete. The AR overlay confirms the fix.
Excellent. Logging the data now. The predictive model was accurate.
The synchronization between the physical prototype and the simulation is seamless.
This accelerates our compliance testing significantly.
The entanglement stability is holding steady at 99%.
The measurement data correlates perfectly with the simulation.
The bioreactor output is exceeding Phase 3 targets.
Yes, the optimization models confer
The lattice structure is stabilizing exactly as predicted.
and the printer is integrating the recycled polymers perfectly.
The surface finish meets aerospace standards. We are ready for full-scale production.
The new integration sequence has improved throughput by 20%.
And the precision metrics are holding steady.
Analyze the heat map variance on the component.
Minimal deviation. The model successfully optimized the welding sequence. We are ready for scaling.
The optimized schedule minimizes risk while maximizing availability, as you can see here.
Looks good. I'll push the confirmation through the integrated system now.
The data-driven approach has significantly improved our throughput. Look at the trend line here.
Yes, the integrated system is working perfectly. The scheduling optimization is clear here. We've maximized equipment availability across the board, improving overall efficiency.
The predictive models clearly show the impact of the Kaizen initiative here.
Yes, equipment availability is up almost 20%.
Sellers. Look at the real-time analytics on platform utilization.
Equipment availability is maximized. The new system is working.
The predictive models suggest a 20% efficiency gain.
Confirmed. The SOP update is finalized.
Excellent. We are maintaining superior.
As you can see on the dashboard, the predictive maintenance schedule is optimizing availability.
Right? The new protocols from the training simulation.
These analytics confirm the success of the integration. We are seeing peak operational effectiveness on the floor right now.
As you can see, the integrated system has optimized the spare parts inventory across all international hubs.
The Six Sigma analysis on the maintenance schedule shows a 20% uptick in efficiency.
The predictive models are maximized.
The advanced analytics flagged the potential failure point using the FMEA data.
Good. The total productive maintenance schedule is adjusted accordingly.
The reliability-centered maintenance strategy improved our OEE significantly.
Look at the SPC data. Yes, the cross-function.
The continuous process optimization metrics are exceeding targets.
Yes, equipment availability is at 99%.
The real-time data confirms superior manufacturing standards.
Yes, the predictive modeling has maximized our equipment availability.
The condition-based monitoring shows optimal performance.
Excellent. The analytics confirm the efficiency gains we projected.
The comprehensive analytical testing procedures are complete. All reference standards are met.
Verified.
I am authorized
meeting stringent industry standards and comprehensive regulatory compliance requirements internationally before authorizing product release and commercial distribution.
All tests are confirmed negative. The reference standards align.
Predictive analytics confirms. Final approval.
359.86. Quality Assurance Laboratory conducting rigorous chromatographic purity testing methods utilizing
The differential scanning confirms the material purity meets the certified reference standard.
Good. All validated method.
All analytical results meet the stringent standards. I'm authorizing the product release.
Confirmed. The documentation is complete.
Statistical processing control shows we are within the validated parameters.
Document the result for global distribution.
The statistical analyst confirms the reference standards are within tolerance for lot 359.78.
Excellent.
Process control integration phase, meticulously implementing distributed control system networks, elucidating sophisticated precision industrial engineering with comprehensive real-time monitoring capabilities.
The predictive maintenance analytics are holding steady at 99.7th percentile.
Excellent. Integration phase is complete.
Process control integration phase, meticulously implementing the machine vision process for manage production.
Comprehensive real-time monitoring capabilities ensure optimal process stability and exceptional operational performance globally. The MES integration is providing comprehensive real-time monitoring across all phases.
Ensuring optimal stability.
Process control integration phase, meticulously implementing real-time process optimization systems, emphasizing sophisticated digital manufacturing systems.
Check the Six Sigma deviation on batch 359.66.
It stabilized immediately after the adjustment. Process remains optimal.
The cascade control loops show exceptional stability. We've achieved
Confirmed. The SPC metrics are
The resource utilization metrics are excellent. We are well above target.
Yes, optimal stability across the board.
Data confirms exceptional process consistency on the new vessel.
Quality improvement initiatives are clearly paying off.
Did you verify the material batch against the schematic?
Yes, the sequence is locked in. Quality specs confirmed.
The predictive model shows a slight fluctuation in rotor speed.
It's within the consistency threshold, but let's cross-reference the vibration sensors.
The thermal exchange looks optimal. Did you adjust the valve on the pre-filter?
Yes, the pressure is normalized now. We are maintaining exceptional consistency.
Look at the CPUC index here. We're maintaining exceptional uniformity.
The quality initiatives are clearly working. Runtime is optimized.
primary industrial manufacturing sequence showing extensively trained South Asian male process operators and sophisticated
The thermal imaging confirms uniformity across all batches.
Exceptional consistency. We are exceeding the quality specifications. As you can see, the multi-stage system is maintaining 99% consistency.
And the resource utilization metrics are exceeding targets again.
The metering equipment is holding steady at the required flow rate.
Yes, the consistency is excellent. I've logged the maintenance check on the tablet.
The statistical process control data confirms stability across all purification metrics.
The data-driven approach has stabilized the compaction rate significantly.
Yes, quality specifications are well within tolerance. Check the uniformity specs on the latest run.
Flawless. We are maintaining the stringent quality standards.
The energy optimization sequence is performing above projections this quarter.
Yes, the automated systems are maintaining peak efficiency.
Batch 7R is complete. How is the uniformity check?
Looks good. Consistent quality across the board.
We've maintained peak volume for the last 12 hours with 0 discrepancies.
The automated quality check is confirming the uniformity across the board.
Data trend looks good here, well within the control limits.
Approved. The uniformity on this run is exceptional.
All systems operational. Quality check passed. Manufacturing platform ready. Fully optimized.
Multi-hidden quality constructive waste tasks demonstrating that cannot get the base range for safe engine.
Ensure all process tolerances are within spec for material purity.
Acknowledged. The system is showing full compliance readiness. Production line commissioning validation testing demonstrating meticulous industrial preparation procedures, systematically implementing data-driven manufacturing.
Our supplier quality certification procedures utilize predictive analytics platforms with comprehensive
We need to adjust the flow rate to match these material specifications.
Right, the current operational requirements won't meet the new performance targets otherwise.
I think it's 16 the policies are entering to your plan.
We need to ensure this meets the international regulatory standards.
I agree. Before we scale up.
The real-time data on the flow rate is holding steady within the Six Sigma limits.
Excellent. The DFM analysis confirms the material specs are aligned, target achieved.
We've integrated the material specifications and operational requirements here.
Excellent. The performance targets are clearly linked to the process parameters.
But we need to refine these critical process parameters to stabilize the Six Sigma metrics.
Agreed. The material specification.
We must ensure these parameters are strictly followed for the new composite material.
The TPM checklist confirms
the measurement zone says. As you can see, the SPC charts confirm that the critical parameters are stable.
Yes, and by adjusting the
Automated joining works with exceptional consistency, ensuring reliability in every component.